Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make 3D photo effects in CapCut so that it's changed into a moving video. So here, you just need to add your photos to CapCut and go to effects, click on the photo effects, and in here, just swipe until you find the 3D effect. So there are two options, 3D zoom and also 3D zoom pro. I'm going to just choose the 3D zoom pro. So just wait until it's fully generating. So it will move like this, and you can also apply it to all of your photos that you added on CapCut. Okay, the effect has been added and it's basically done. But if you want to make it more dramatic, you can also add some video effects here. Go to the nightclub, tap in here and find the chromatic or chrome effect. Okay, I'm going to just add this strobe effect, so the photo will look like this, and then you can see the result in here. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.